Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW X5 brake light bulb. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and switch off the ignition. Locate the bulb access panel in the trunk and remove any trim clips carefully. Keep screws and clips organized so reassembly is simple and fast. If a connector feels stuck, gently wiggle while pulling to avoid damaging the socket or wiring harness. Gather the right tools before you begin to speed up the job and avoid frustration. A trim tool and flathead screwdriver make panel removal clean, while a Phillips driver handles common screws. Keep a clean cloth handy to protect painted surfaces and gloves for grip. Having the correct replacement 12V bulb on hand prevents multiple trips, and a small flashlight helps identify components in tight spaces. Access the bulb socket by removing the panel and folding back the trunk trim carefully. Twist the socket counterclockwise and pull it free, then remove the old bulb with a steady pull. Install the new 12V bulb by aligning it and twisting the socket clockwise until it seats snugly. Test the brake light by having an assistant press the brake or use a heavy object on the pedal, then reassemble trim and fasteners securely.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.